Hello everyone, this is Mahendra Meher from Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Calicut. Today I will be talking about smart grid and its technology. What making this grid smart grid? Grid plus something is smart grid. Let's find out what is this something. It is easy to understand from the things that we already know and familiar with. Let's start with a phone. You can see this. This is a phone. This is slow and it can perform a single task at a time. Then this changed to a smartphone, which is fast, structured, and multitask operating system. Same way, city is changing to smart city. Here you can see in the smart city, all the things are structured, fast, and it takes very less time. Then the conventional grid. Now it is changing to smart grid. Then what technology is associated with this to make grid to smart grid? What is grid? This is the conventional grid. Here you can see energy is transferring from generating station to consumer through a substation. This is one-way energy transfer. Energy is transferring and consumers are using this energy. Then what is the problem? It seems good, look good, but there are many problems and issues associated with this. Let's find the problems in the present power grid. First one is brownout. Brownout is nothing but the drop in voltage level. Then is blackout. This is the total crash of the power grid. The whole power grid gets shut down in this case. Next one is reliability. The adequate supply of power, the continuous supply of power. Next one is synchronization issue. If we want to add any system with the existing system, we need to match the voltage and frequency parameter with the existing system. Next one is load dispatching. The energy is generated. Then we have to ensure that this energy must meet the demand. So this is all about the fulfillment of load demand. Then the maximum energy utilization. This is something related to efficiency, how the energy is being used, how much energy is being used. Next, the quality of power, or harmonics. We all consumers want steady supply from the source. These are the problems that is associated with the present power system. Next, what is smart grid? What makes this conventional grid smart grid? Here we can see the energy is transferring from the generating station to consumer as well as from the consumer to the generating station through some transmitting medium. Okay, this is a two-way communication. The communication from the both sides is required to monitor the whole system effectively. And this communication is done with the help of some smart technology. And this smart technology make the grid to smart. And many issues, problems are solved in this system. The system become self-healing, self-control, automated in this case. Let's discuss by definition what is smart grid. It is a network containing smart technology that connect its user, that is generators to consumers, with efficient cost in order to ensure reliability, stability, and security. Here you can see the smart grid In the system, all the utilities or entities are interconnected to each other. Then what is the main features of smart grid? In the system, the energy flow in the both direction, that is the bidirectional flow of energy. Then it is easy to detect a fault in the system and it is self-healing. The demand side management is better in this case. Many communicating devices are used to prevent system overloads. Next, the penetration of renewable energy resources are easy in the system. Next, the verifying tariff based on the level of demand. And this system improves efficiency, reliability, and security of the power delivery. Then let's see what are the smart technologies which are associated with this system and making the conventional grid to a smart grid. The first one is sensor and transducer to sense voltage and current signal in the system and to measure the energy that are used by the consumer with the help of smart meter. Smart meters not only measure the energy, it also send its data to the energy management system. Next one is very important and essential power system smart device, that is phasor measurement unit, PMU. This phasor measurement unit solves many issues, problems that are associated with the conventional grid. Okay, next one is the to communicate each other. One integrated communication system are used in the system. Next, to control, to make the whole system automatic, power system automation has been implemented to make the grid smart grid. Then we got our answer, grid plus something makes smart grid. That something is smart technology. Here, thank you. If you understood this video, like this video, share and subscribe this video. Okay, thank you.